a little bit of everything today. We've got onion rings, chicken strips, jalapenos. Why am I going fucking brain dead? Garlic, pickled, spicy mayo, sweet chili jam. Jesus! Right, hang on. I need one of these right now. There's the chicken. They're the garlics. They're in oil, so they're not strong. Pickled peppers, right? And also, because these are Korean, spicy Korean, I'm going to go for hoisin. Is it hoisin sauce? Whatever. You know what I mean. So, yeah. These, when they're fresh, are so nice. Right. What am I going for? Spicy mayo this time. So, I actually bought these for Ellie's, but she weren't keen on them, so I thought, well, fuck it, I'm just going to eat them. With the sauce, stop it. Right. Jalapeno, garlic, chicken. Okay. These are lovely. Not strong at all, I'm telling you. So I was gonna go and buy some dye today, some black dye, because do you remember when I dyed my hair? It was all black. Look at the colour now. Tell me that doesn't look brown. Right? How does that even work? I put 2 boxes of shop dye on my hair of black hair dye. How is that washed out? How does it do it? Like, literally nothing sticks in my hair. Always goes back to that. Like, are you okay? I've got the helly. Like, the only thing that will literally stick is blonde, and I don't like blonde personally on myself. I've been blonde, and I don't like her. That's the only thing, because it's bleach. Every other colour just comes back out to brown. It's like I'm destined to be brown. But I genuinely love the dark, like the black hair. I don't know. I know this is going to sound silly, but it makes me feel good. Makes me feel sexy, or I don't know, however you want to put it. It makes me feel like that, and I like it, and my hair doesn't like it. I used to love red, and I do love red, like a deep red. Do you know what I mean? But that is such a hard upkeep. It's unreal. Oh well. What am I doing? Give me some tips, guys. Anyway, have you eaten today? If you haven't, let's have something. Something's better than nothing. Just a little something. They are spicy. Is it those, or is it... I don't know, but we just power through. It could be them. I know a lot of people are like, why don't you cook from scratch? Blah, 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 blah. Like, the ones that are dish to me. Like, I don't want to. I enjoy this. I have kids that you got to eat. Everyone's happy in this household. Do you know what I mean? So, some people like food like that. I love food like this. I love picky stuff with loads of sauce. Obviously. Oh. I don't know if it is the jalapenos, you know, because I think it's them. It doesn't come with that sauce, does it? No. Anyway, that's that. Hope you have a good evening.